Today we will be doing a dictation lesson together. What you need to gather is something to write on, something to write with, and definitely bring your mind ready to learn. The process that we'll be using for our dictation lesson today is that first you will hear the word that I say, then you will say the word with me. We will use the strategy today of sounding out that word. On your own, you will write the word on your paper or whatever you have to write on. Then you will check the word with the word I show you. And then if you need to, then you will fix the word. Notice how my example, we crossed out the whole word and we wrote the word correctly up above it. That's how I would like you to fix your words today. So when you are getting your paper ready, you may want to set your paper up like this, where you have your name at the top, you have a spot for 5 words, and a spot to write sentences at the bottom. Or actually, we're only going to write one sentence today, so just enough room for one sentence. Our first word in today's lesson is the word mat. Say the word mat with me. Mat. Now let's say the sounds. T. Go ahead and write the word mat. Now check your word against the word that I have on my paper. Mat. If you need to, remember fixing it is crossing it out and writing it the right way. That way it will train your brain to write the word mat correctly. The next word that you're going to be writing is cat. Say the word cat with me. Cat. Now say all of the sounds. K, a, t. Write the word on your paper. Now check your word. Did you write your word like this? C-A-T? Correct it if you need to. The next word we'll be writing is the word fat. Say fat with me. Fat. Now say the sounds. F, a, t. Now write your word. Check the word fat. Make any corrections you need. Now let's write our fourth word. Our fourth word is a name. And so if you remember, we put uppercase letters at the beginning of sentences and at the beginning of names, just like yours. The name is Sam. Say it with me. Sam. Now say the sounds. S, a, m. Now write the word Sam. Check your word. Did you write it like I did? Even if you wrote a lowercase s, would you please cross out the whole word and write it correctly? Our last word that we'll be writing together, is the word hat. Say it with me. Hat. Say the sounds. H, a, t. Now write your word. Check your word. Did you write the word hat just like I did? Now, our last challenge before we move on to writing our sentence is, can you find the word that does not rhyme in our list? Let's read our words together and maybe you can figure out which one does not belong because it does not rhyme. Mat, cat, fat, Sam, hat. Circle the word that does not rhyme. Did you circle the word Sam? You're right. This is the word that does not rhyme with the others. Now on to writing our sentence. Today's sentence, I will say, then I will go ahead and count how many words in the sentence with you. We'll write our lines down to show that's how many words we need to write. And then I will give you time to write that sentence. Let's go ahead and listen to the sentence 2 times. Then you say it with me on the 3rd time. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. Now you say it with me. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. we need to figure out how many words are in that sentence. Count with me. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. You're right. It's 8 words. Let's write our 8 lines on our paper here. Sam is the fat cat. Oh, I'm going to need to use my other line. It's so long. On the mat. Is this a question or is it a telling sentence? It's telling something, so I'm going to put a period here. Let's write our sentence now. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. Go ahead and pause the video, write your sentence, and then check your sentence when you are finished. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. Now check your sentence. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. Did you write each word the correct way? Which words were already in our list that we wrote earlier? Which words are our sight words? Can you find them? Oh, here's Sam. Sam was in our list up here. Is a sight word, I-S. The is another sight word, T-H-E. Fat, oh, that's right there. Cat, in our list again. On is not a sight word, but we can sound it out. O-N. The next word is the same sight word as we had right here, the. And then our last word, mat, is right up here. Let's read our sentence one more time. Sam is the fat cat on the mat. If you made your corrections and you tried your very, very best, I'd like you to go ahead and make a circle at the top of your page, and I'd like you to kind of tell me how well you did today. You can go ahead and give yourself a smiley face if you tried your hardest, even if you had to fix some of your mistakes. That's training your brain the right way. I hope you had fun learning today with our dictation lesson, and I hope you try another one soon.